Well, if a triple-decker sandwich dipped in eggnog and bacon doesn't make you happy, well, I don't care to know you. Here with a holiday brunch idea that already has me drooling is Chef Bill. Good morning to you. Welcome back.
Thanks
to see you. Okay, so you heard my description. So what are we making here?
Yeah, so this is a holiday eggnog Saskatoon berry Monte Cristo sandwich.
Okay, that's absurd.
Yeah, it's
okay, so
pure flavor.
Let's make the absurd a reality.
Perfect. So I'm going to get you really involved in this, Ben.
Sure.
So first thing we're going to start doing is mixing the mayo into our Saskatoon berry jam.
And is that going to just make the Saskatoon berry jam a little milder? Is that what it's for?
Yeah, a little milder with it, but it also gives it a little more texture. Jam is really hard to spread.
Okay.
So this just gives it a nice, even texture and balances out some of the sweet as well.
Wow. So how'd you come up with this idea?
Yeah, the jam is like a big staple for us in Indigenous cuisine.
Okay.
And typically any aioli start with a mayo base. So this was our base on it. But I wanted a full breakfast sandwich that kind of had everything in one bite.
Okay.
So now what we're going to do is evenly spread it on each of the three.
Okay. Like how much?
Yeah, you want kind of good coverage.
Like that amount?
Yeah, I always have a catchy little saying. I say every flavor, every bite. You want everything to taste the same. So we go corner to corner and then just do a little spread.
Just put a little, there we go.
Yeah, I'll just switch
and then here we go. I think I nailed this.
You nailed it. And then what we're going to start doing here is we're going to put a slice of cheese on each piece of bread.
Okay, what kind of cheese are we using?
We're using smoked Gouda.
Smoked Gouda. So just lay it right on?
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. And then on each one. Perfect.
All right.
And then we're going to do 2 slices of turkey.
Okay. Okay. 1.
And 1 slice of ham.
Why not?
And then reverse, 2 slices of ham and 1 slice of turkey.
Okay.
You're getting right in here.
Yeah, and then one like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna build up on top.
Okay.
Flip down. And this is like a really, really cool
Look
thing
at that.
for the kids. We're actually gonna cut
the crusts.
Cut the crusts off with it. And you can still use these with it as nice little bites.
Okay.
But good example.
Oh, what kind of bread did you use, by the way?
So you can use any type of bread. I like a rye or something with a little bit of a harder crust with it.
Okay, sure. Okay, so you end up with that, and then...
Our mix.
Okay.
So we've got eggnog, egg, our smoked maple syrup, and nutmeg. You want to throw it all in?
All this nutmeg?
All that nutmeg.
Okay. Now, you said smoked maple syrup. I need to know more about this.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Okay, how do you smoke maple syrup?
Yeah, so you
how much?
All.
All of it, okay.
Yeah.
How do you smoke maple syrup?
So smoked maple syrup is like it can be a long process or a short process. If you are in a hurry, you can go and buy liquid smoke from the store, which is essentially the long, which is just liquid that has been smoked. Or you can take the smoked maple syrup in itself and put it in a smoking cabinet, smoke it for 6 to 8 hours, and you get that flavor.
We only have about a minute left, Chef, so I'm going to ask you to use your chef skills to speed us up a little bit.
Absolutely. So next, this sandwich, you noticed it was wrapped.
Yeah.
We actually pre-wrapped
up a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, and store it in the fridge for anywhere from 1 hour to 6 hours.
Okay, and then right into a pan with a little bit of oil?
Right into a pan with a little bit of oil.
Wow.
Do a nice little sear.
So yeah, my guess is that by putting it in the fridge, it tightens it up.
Yes, it actually keeps it really compact, which holds it while we're doing those multi-levers.
And this is what it ends up looking like.
This is amazing. And we actually pair it with the smoked maple syrup to dip back in, and you get that little bite of breakfast.
Oh my God.
It's incredible flavor. And then we paired it with our eggnog blended coffee.
Hold on, I don't need another bite. I can't. Chef, that's amazing.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
All right, so how do we eat this?
So eggnog blended coffee, super simple. Instant coffee into eggnog, blended, as well with separate eggnog and ice blended, combined, a little bit of cinnamon, and you've got a nice, easy, quick dish.
Cheers to you. Damn. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. And happy holidays to you. And for all these recipes, visit yourmorning.ca.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.